Dumadaan ba sa inyo yung pera ng
No,
LATCO?
Senator Nancy, ang present niya...
Mr. Chairman, what we're talking about building, hindi yung trabaho.
Ma'am, let's calm down.
Dun sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media. And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng number sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So anong problema? Records
Well, your
records
answer
to
to
ng
me-
SCT, Senator Binay, that was given to me by the SCT. Who are your staff?
Wait,
So what's the problem? No, ma'am, ginugulo mo yung hearing eh. Wala namang kailangan magulo. No, listen to
Can
me
we
first.
go back?
Listen to me first.
Magkano yung total?
Listen to me first, Senator
Ako-
Nancy. I'm still the chair.
Chairman.
No, ang problema sa iyo, you keep going around saying, gusto ko makausap si Alan, gusto ko makausap si Cheese. Nagkita pa tayo sa party, may cellphone, hindi mo naman kami kinakausap, tapos manggugulo ka ngayon sa hearing. So, since nandito ka na rin, can you explain the 600 million na landscaping?
Mr. Chairman, I think dapat ang mag-explain yan ay DPWH because at the moment nga, wala pa yan eh. Dahil nandun pa nga kami sa point na pinag-uusapan namin
Bakit
ito.
wala pa? March 2023 yung sulat sa'yo. Natanggal naman kayo last month lang eh. So isang taon hindi rin gumalaw during your term. Tapos sasabihin nyo yung delay na sa amin. Ang sulat sa'yo March 20, 2023.
Because, Mr. Chairman, we're in the process of reviewing everything.
So it takes you more than a year to review everything. Kailan matatapos yung building? Ako, baka hindi ako umabot katulad ni Senator Enrile na 100 taon.
Kung ako ay nagpatuloy ng building, talagang pipilitin natin matapos.
Paano ka
In fact,
matatapos kung yung phase 3 mo, 1 taon na sa'yo at sinasabi mo ngayon, hindi yan yung numbers kasi hindi mo pa nare-review. March 20, 2023, it's already July 3, 2024, Senator. 15 months na sa mesa mo, then you have the gall to tell all of us na yung delay na sa amin. O, Mr. Aguinaldo, sabi niyo ko kanina, sana madesisyonan namin kasi baka ma-delay. 15 buwan pala nasa mesa ni Senator Nancy. Oh.
of course not, Mr. Chairman.
Hindi, kakaamin mo lang ngayon eh. Sabi mo, wala pa yan, nire-review mo pa. Gaano katagal ba reviewin ang 600 million sa landscaping? Ito, 875 million sa security cams. Baka buong Metro Manila na yan eh. Kung nagbigay ka ng briefing paper sa akin, pag take over, at iba yung binigay ng SCT, di kinausap kita, eto binigay ng SCT. May narinig ka ba hanggang sa akin ngayon? Nagpapa-interview ba ako? Ikaw yung araw-araw nagpapa-interview, di ba? So anong issue?
Ang issue kasi, Mr. Chairman,
Ang issue yan, tapos
pinag-usapan
pinakita namin.
this is just an estimate.
Hindi mo estimate yan na
lang yan.
pinapapirmahan sa akin na galing sa'yo na 1 taon na nasa mesa mo. So
Hindi
issue
pa
yun.
yan. Siguro balikan natin yung DPWH. Nasa proseso pa tayo na hinihimay natin to. Na in fact, ang target, ma-award na to within, ano bang target natin?
So kung labing 5 buwan mo hindi hinimay, kailan mo hihimayin? 15 buwan mo hindi hinimay eh. March 20 yan, 2023, sinubmit sa'yo. Nasa akin na. Alam
Mr.
nyo,
Chairman, hinihimay namin to isa-isa. In fact,
well, kaya kami project manager.
Inaabot kami ng 9 a.m. hanggang 9 ng gabi.
So bakit nyo nga hindi nahimay ng 15 buwan? Ito yung sulat na sa akin, no? March 2020, tapos tinatanong kita ngayon, wala kang masagot sa himay. Ma'am, nililito mo tao kasi dun sa memo sa'yo nakalagay, i-negotiate nyo na at 7.2B. Ayan, nandyan.
Of course not.
Nandito sa dokumento sa
Mr.
inyo.
Chairman,
15 months na sa'yo.
Mr. Chairman, it's not true. In fact, ang instruction ko is for public bidding because Marami na
which you didn't do sa 2.375 billion, di ba?
may yan, may explanation din yan,
Yes,
Mr.
which is my
Chairman.
explanation din sa 7.3B. Kaya ako sila tinatanong at kailan kita tinatanong.
But the 7
Pero
point,
tinatanggi mo kahit na 15 months na sa mesa mo, tapos kung ano-ano sinasabi natin sa numero ngayon. So ang point, Senator Binay, do you want to help or gusto lang guluhin to? Kasi from the start, ginugulo mo pati yung credibility ng aming review Di ba?
Mr. Chairman, ang goal ko lang matapos ang building na to. At
Paano nga
hindi sa,
matatapos 15 buwan yung
hindi
phase 3
sa
sa mesa mo, wala kang ginawa? Ikaw
meron,
na nagsabi ngayon, hindi ko alam yon. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na 15 buwan to na sa mesa mo, wala kang ginawa.
may ginagawa tayo, Mr. Chairman.
Ano nga ginawa mo? Ang option sa procurement law, i-bid, eto advantage, disadvantage. Pwedeng i-negotiate, eto advantage, disadvantage. Ano ang gusto nyong gawin namin? Then I'll make the decision. Pero I'll make the decision not only sa legal, illegal. I'll make the decision based on dapat ba or pwede. Di ba? So ang pinag-aawayan kasi natin ngayon, nagsha-shopping tayo pare-pareho. Gusto ko sa market. Nakakita ako ng pantalon, 3,000. Okay na sa akin yon. Pero meron kasing hinahatak ako sa Greenbelt. Boss, yung Louis Vuitton, wala ka pa niyan na pantalon. Kaya lang 80,000. Senador ka Dapat yan ang suot mo. So hindi ko sinasabing mali. Ang sinasabi ko, hindi ko style yon. Di ba? O baka naman meron sa gitna. Baka naman merong branded ng konti. Hindi 3,000, hindi din 80, 6,000, mas matibay pa, may guarantee pa. Di ganun ang gamitin natin, di ba? And 24 kami, hindi ako magdedesisyon nito. Ako magpupush. Sasabihin ko sa kanila. Di ba? So, bibigyan ko kayong example na hindi nag-usap-usap ha. May picture ba kayo ng balik nyo dun sa I'll give you the floor to end but ako I'll end here, no? Kanina dun sa picture na binigay nyo, may session hall dun dun sa video. Yeah. Go ahead. Can I show the video then I'll give you all the or we can go
Mr.
back.
Chairman,
Yeah, go ahead.
One question,
Sure.
if I may.
Yes,
proceed.
please.
Kasi parang kanina nabanggit ho yung computation. Can I just ask you, Sexandain, magkano ho ba yung budgetary cost estimate ng DPWH sa core and shell?
So while you're looking, we recognize Senator Nancy and she's welcome to ask questions.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Even if I'm not a member, but I heard na nagsabi naman po kayo at the beginning of the hearing na I am more than welcome to attend. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, the Mayawa for phase 1 is 8.9.
Okay,
Hindi.
and then
The
8.9 po yun, di ba? So 8.9.
That's for the
Sir,
And then sa...
Para lang tayo klaro 8.9 including variation orders. If you exclude the variation
but
orders,
the question,
It's
Mr.
the-
Chairman, is the
DC.
budgetary cost estimate.
Yes, including. Kasi when they estimated it first, wala pang variation order. It was only 8.1.
budgetary
No,
cost
but the awarded
estimate,
kasi is 8.066.
8.06, yes, the award.
But the budgetary cost estimate is
is
8.9.
8.9.
No,
So,
that was
talking
no.
about-
You're talking about the ABC. Ang nanalo
ABC.
was 8.06.
So,
Yun.
8.9 is the budgetary cost estimate. There's a difference to the actual amount awarded. There's a difference din sa budgetary cost estimate. At meron ding difference pag pinasok na yung variation order. But what I'm interested right now is how much is the budgetary cost estimate?
It's 8.9 billion for the budgetary cost estimate. The ABC is 8.5. And the
Yun
award,
po. Tapos, dumagkano ho yung budgetary cost for the fit out? Estimate. Budgetary cost estimate.
ilan po? So it's 2.5.
And for the works to complete, ano yung budgetary cost estimate?
For the work to complete, it's 7.359 billion pesos.
Meron ba kayong calculator? Pwede yung paki-total. $18.7 billion. Tama po ba? So tama po na on your documentation, there's no such thing as 23 billion for DPWH. So I think Yusek Sadain, hindi niyo po kailangan mag-apologize. Because
Secretary,
wala
ito yung presentation nila. Nandyan yung 21.7 billion. If you add the land cost, it's 23 billion.
but
This was
we're
submitted
talking-
by them.
But we're talking about, may documentation ba kayo tungkol dun sa land cost? Dumadaan ba sa inyo yung pera ng land
No.
cost?
Senator Nancy, ang present niya...
Mr. Chairman,
No.
what we're
let's-
talking about, building.
Yeah,
Hindi yung
please,
trabaho.
Ma'am, let's calm down so that we can get the numbers right. I showed the video na ang sinasabi niya 5.7, which
No,
mismong yung
Mr.
dokumento
Chairman, even dun sa document na hawak mo, there's no 23 billion.
21.7 billion and then 23. You're reacting to what Senator Escudero said na 23, which was submitted to us by the SCT, which were all your staff, and which I released to the media. And you've been going around saying mali numbers namin. So kung mali, correct it. Pero ang nagbigay ng number sa amin, staff mo, and you've been going around telling people, saan ba namin nanggaling? Eh, nanggaling nga sa staff mo. So anong problema?
Mr. Chairman, ang tinatanong ko, per documentation ng DPWH,
Ito documentation nila,
is that
21.7.
23 billion? Is that 23 billion?
21.7 plus 3. Hindi DPWH ang sinabmit ko sa media at hindi yun ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero.
Actually,
Ang sinabi ni Senator Escudero galing sa SCT na mga staff mo.
Madam,
So what's the issue?
Actually, Chairman, parang nagkakamali ho ata kayo dun sa presentation
What's the
nyo dun
issue?
sa Phase 3. Sa records nyo ba, it's 10 billion?
Records
Well,
ng
your
records
answer
to
to
ng
me-
SCT Senator Binay that was given to me by the SCT. Who are your staff?
Wait,
So what's the problem? No, ma'am, ginugulo mo yung hearing eh. Wala namang kailangang magulo. Yan ang sinabmit sa akin. So kung sasabihin mo mali, edi ano yung tamang number?
Sir
Yan
Chairman,
po ang sinabmit sa akin, galing ng staff mo.
pinag-uusapan natin ngayon yung,
Yung to-
side ng DPWH.
Yes, and ang
So-
pinag-uusapan namin ni Sec Sadain, yung sinabi niyang 5.7 na 7 point something pala.
In the proper context. Kasi to be fair to DPWH,
Mali nga talaga sinabi niya, hindi 5.7. It
Yeah,
was
but
7
you
point
asked
something.
them to apologize for the 23
No,
billion.
no,